Hello, it's Gummy. In this video, I'm going to share my exclusive Swissborg promo code with you, which will let you earn up to 100 euros. I'll share it with you right now. It's super simple, you'll see. To take advantage of this bonus, all you have to do is click on my link just below the video, either in the video description right here or directly in the first pinned comment under the video. You just need to click on the link. You'll be redirected to this page. If you're on a computer, you can also scan this QR code directly, which will take you to exactly the same link. Then, all you have to do is click on Accept the Invitation. You'll be redirected to the Apple Store or Google Play Store to download the Swissborg app directly onto your mobile device. Once you've downloaded the app, you can open it. Then, you'll just need to sign up. It takes about 5 minutes. You'll need to enter your first name, last name, address, and so on. Once that's done, you'll need to deposit a minimum of 50 euros, or 50 Swiss francs if you live in Switzerland, into your Swissborg account. To unlock this exclusive bonus, which will actually come in the form of a scratch card, as you can see on the screen, that will allow you to win up to 100 euros in bonuses on your account, which you can then very easily withdraw to your bank account or use to invest directly with the Swissborg app. And on top of that, as the cherry on the cake, the first 20 people to sign up each month using my link will also win 20 euros. So it's really a win-win for you. Don't hesitate to use it. This was Gummy. Ciao.